If a body diagram is included in your template, you can use the tools in the mini ribbon above it to create the appropriate markings. Firstly, on the far right, there's an option to configure a different base diagram altogether by picking from this list. But sticking with this diagram, clicking on this pencil will enable the user to draw with the cursor. This option enables the creation of straight lines. Click and drag to create the start and end points of your straight line. You can use the hollow ovals by clicking here and then clicking and dragging, or filled ovals by selecting this option and clicking and dragging. Likewise with rectangles, both hollow and filled. All of these are governed by the paint colour selected here and the line thickness selected here. To remove an item, click on the red arrow in the top right, which changes the cursor to allow you to select items. Select the items you want to remove by clicking and dragging over them. Note that it will select any item within the scope of the selected area, so be careful to only highlight the items you need, which may be quite tricky when you have a lot of content. Having said that, your real-life annotated diagrams will be much neater than these, or at least I hope they will. Use the red cross to delete highlighted items. Ticking on the letter will enable the user to create a text box, again by clicking and dragging. Type into the box and adjust the font size and colour by using these options in the mini ribbon. And you can also create a key as you go along. Clicking on this and then clicking and dragging on your diagram will place a colour-coded key line into which you can type some text to describe what that colour on the diagram is being used to record. Saving the consultation saves the image. Looking at your consultation history, you can see that this consultation has had an annotated diagram associated with it. You can't edit the diagram, however, but you can view it and print it by double-clicking on the pen icon.